So ever since I got into voice acting, voiceover, whatever, like mid last year, I've been trying to buy a proper microphone. I've been using my phone mic for roughly 5-6 months, and recently I realized, okay, I need to get this mic soon. So a couple days ago, I ordered my microphone, and that is what's in this box. It finally arrived. So I thought that I would make an unboxing video. Alright, so let's open up this big ass box and get the microphone. Alright, there we go. So there's quite a few things in here, because along with the mic, I ordered a couple of accessories for it. So first up is the mic itself. I got the blue Snowball ice, got the black one, and I know some people who record with this mic, so oops. I know some people who record with this mic. Everything I've heard from it has been pretty good. So, and this mic is relatively cheap too, about $50. So, yeah, it was affordable. There it is. I will further unbox that later. And then the other thing that's in here is, it's in just a generic box, but what it is, it's it was just a pretty cheap kit that came with a bunch of accessories for the blue Snowball ice. So it comes with a stand, comes with a couple of pop filters, comes with a few other things. Yeah. Just making sure real quick that everything's in here. Yeah, everything's in here. Alright. For $20, like the amount of stuff that comes in this package, it's a good deal. It's a good deal. Alright, now I will unbox the mic itself. So gotta cut. Yeah, I'll just rip it, why not? There we go. Very cool. Oh yeah, I'm real happy about this. So, this is being a bit, it's playing hard to get, as some may say. There we go, I got it. Oh yeah. There is the mic itself, the tiny little thing. And in here, I believe, is also a stand. That one's also a bit hard to get out. Yeah, there we go. There's a stand, there's some cables, there's a manual. Yeah, so that's nice. I think this might be the end of the unboxing, actually. This is like really everything that there is.